She thought her title would protect her. It didn't. What you're about to watch is a Cook County commissioner drunk crashed into 2 cars, a bottle at her feet, trying to talk her way out of an arrest. Spoiler, it didn't work.
You all right? Do you need an ambulance or anything? Okay. Do you need an ambulance or anything? Let's walk to your car because I don't want you to get hit by a car, okay?
Well, ambulance.
Yeah, I see that's your car. Here, ma'am, right over here. Right over here. Right over here. Right over here. Let's start off with your driver's license and your proof of insurance, okay?
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay, he wants a driver's license and a proof of...
Who's this?
My attorney.
Your who? Your attorney? All right. You can call him in a little bit because right now everything's recording audio and video, okay? But you're involved in a traffic accident. I'd like to see your driver's license and your proof of insurance.
Ask him.
Okay. He's not driving, dear.
Just hang up, Samantha, and I'll be there. Tell him I'm on my way.
Yes.
He's on his way.
Yes. He said you'll be on your way. May I tell you that everything's being audio and videotaped, okay?
I'm just saying I'll be for my friend.
I'm requesting your driver's license and your proof of insurance. I'm sure you can provide me with those 2 things while we're waiting for your attorney to show up.
I'll wait for him.
Okay, but we don't have to wait for him. I need
to wait for him.
Okay, ma'am. We don't need to make this any more complicated than it already is. It's just an accident. I just need to see your driver's license.
I'll wait for him.
Do you want me to handcuff you and arrest you?
No.
Because right now, at this point, you're refusing to provide me any...
I am.
You are. You realize that, right?
Yes. I'm an elected official.
You what?
I don't want any of this.
Well, ma'am, you're involved in
him.
an accident. You've hit several cars.
2.
So, yeah, I need to see your driver's license so I can start the paperwork.
Pulled out in front of me and
Okay, great. I'll ask you that in a second. But I really need to verify, this is your car?
No, it's my friend's car.
It's your friend's car, okay. Do you have a valid driver's license?
I do.
Okay, great.
And I have insurance.
How about an ID?
I do.
Okay.
Officer wants to talk to you.
Okay.
This is Officer Fernandez from the 20th District. Oops. Oh,
hey, officer.
How are you? Your client here.
I'm fine.
Your client here was involved in an accident. How far are you? Hello?
Like 25 minutes.
Okay, I need to see her driver's license and her proof of insurance. And she's understanding that she doesn't have to provide that to me until you arrive. Can you advise your client
That is not true.
that...
I would be happy to advise her what the law is.
Okay, please, can you advise her so I could get this paperwork started?
I will.
Great, thank you.
Absolutely,
Now you listen
officer.
to
I'm
him?
sorry about that.
Her own lawyer told her to cooperate on speakerphone in front of the cops. She still refused. At that point, the officers knew exactly where this was going.
Okay, Mr. Steele, you can put that away. He's got valid insurance.
Okay.
Is that your attorney still?
Yes.
Is he still on his way? Can you tell me how far he is?
Let me just check here. 15 minutes.
Okay, we'll wait for you to arrive.
All right,
Why?
thank you, officer. All right, I'll be there as soon as I can.
Thank you.
Okay.
Why?
Well, you hit 2 cars, so we got to give you a traffic accident, okay?
Okay.
And I don't know what we're going to do about the car because it's not drivable. Your tire is pretty messed up. It's not going to allow you to drive home. So is your attorney maybe going to be able to drive you home?
Yes. And I'll pay for this to get wherever it needs to go.
Well, you probably want to let the owner know that you were involved in an accident. Let him know.
He's my very best friend.
Oh, good. Okay. All right. So just hang tight. I'll be right back, okay? Yes, ma'am.
I'm so sorry.
That's an accident. People know. You know, people happens.
Thank you very much.
Okay. Yes. Hey, boss. How are you?
That's her?
Yeah, that's the driver right there.
How's she?
Still shaken up. Her friend attorney is on his way.
How you doing, man? You said DMS? Are you good? I'm working. I have to be good. Are you working right now? Hello?
Give me a moment, please.
Yeah, can I be able to verify the ownership? The attorney is on her way.
That's fine.
Yeah, just telling you.
We need you to exit. It's not you telling us we're not taking your word for it. We don't take nobody word for it. We don't need that.
I don't need that. I already told you.
We
to
just
put that
need
away.
you exiting so we know you're good. You just got involved in an accident. It's like
I did, but my friend's coming, and if I go outside, I'm not going to be like so secure. And then my friend's
Secure?
coming.
secure. Everything is on video and audio recorded.
I know.
Yeah.
So, can you exit?
I can.
Okay, please do.
You hold on?
Well, I'm not holding anything
Just
for
put it on
you.
the dashboard. That's fine.
No.
We are not going to hold anything for you.
I don't need it anymore. You can put it in the dashboard. That's fine. Just need you to step out.
I'm good.
Ma'am, we know you're good. We heard you, but you need to step out so we can see if you're good.
I'm fine.
Okay, I know you're fine. Just exit the car then.
I don't have to exit the car.
Yes, you do.
No,
We're giving you a lawful order.
You were involved in an accident.
I
You're gonna
was.
have to, or we're gonna assist you, make you exit.
I'll wait.
So you better off
I'll
just
wait
exit.
for my attorney.
Are you going to exit or no? All right, you need to exit.
I will be fine.
Yes, ma'am. Can I help you?
Yeah, this is my friend. She texted me.
Okay. Oh, let's
Is
walk over
she
here for a second.
okay?
Is
she okay?
Well, we're in the middle of an investigation, DUI investigation right now. She appears that she may have been drinking, involved in a 2-car, 3-car accident. Yeah, that's what we're relating at this point now. So we're trying to ask her to step out so we can do a field sobriety test, which we're supposed to do to determine if she is or not.
Yeah.
And she doesn't want to get out. So advising her nicely to get out, or we're going to have to get physical and bring her out of the car, which is not going to be end up good for her. I don't know if you can talk to her and tell her that just have to step out and listen to our orders. We've been talking to some kind of attorney or friend of hers on the phone, and he's been cooperating. He said, yeah, just give him your officer's driver's license to proof of insurance, which we have now.
Okay.
But she doesn't seem to want to exit the vehicle.
Okay.
So,
You want me to talk to her?
Okay, whoever this is. She says she knows you. She said you
She does
texted
know
her.
me. She's my friend.
Okay, so exit the vehicle
No,
then.
I'm not leaving the vehicle.
Ma'am, if you don't exit the vehicle, I'm gonna help you to exit. And you don't want that.
You don't want that.
I'm
an elected official.
I actually do. Elected official of what?
Cook County.
Cook County. You elected which office? What's your name?
I'm Sam.
Sam who?
hey, Sarge, is it okay for her friend tells her to walk out, to step out?
No, she's saying she's an elected official
I
of
don't
Cook
want-
County.
I don't want to
Okay.
be on the video.
Oh,
You are on video.
You are on video.
You are
it
on
has
video,
to be
ma'am.
on video. Yes, ma'am.
So you need
I'll
to.
wait for my attorney.
Okay.
Nope, I'm waiting for my attorney.
So she's not exiting. We're gonna have to make her exit, and we do. She is not compliant right now, as you can see.
Does she?
And she says she's an elected official of something we don't even know.
Does she need to be compliant at this moment?
Of course she does. She was
Well, I
involved in
mean,
an
can she
accident.
wait? Can she wait for her attorney?
No.
Well, regardless of
She
the
was
attorney being here or
involved in an
not,
accident.
you still
Okay.
have to conduct a field
Even
sobriety.
if the attorney is here, there's nothing he's gonna tell her. She was involved in an accident and we're doing our investigation. And obviously she doesn't want to. Ma'am. Okay, here's the thing. You were involved in an accident, correct? So you're gonna have to exit. If you don't exit, then we're gonna make you exit.
The car.
Can you give her a
Sorry,
second?
that's
I think you should do
Give her a
that.
second.
That's all you have to do.
That's the attorney.
Get out
He
of the
told her you
car.
have to exit.
I think that's
Okay, he told you to exit.
You need to get out of the car. Yes, do that. That's all you got to do, and then wait for me. I'll be there in 10 minutes.
I'm waiting for him.
Yeah, you gotta come out.
You get out of the car.
I've exited
I'll be
the
there in
car.
10 minutes.
Be careful with traffic. Stay right here. Stay right here. We don't want you to go out, get involved in the accident.
Okay.
It's fine.
Now you can hang up the phone, ma'am.
No.
We're still doing our
My
investigation.
attorney.
Okay. Now, tell your attorney, since he's on the phone, are you going to do field sobriety test or no?
No.
Okay.
No,
Are you
wait,
being
wait.
arrested? You say no. I was waiting for that. I was waiting for that. We were waiting for that. Because she just refused. I asked her to do field sobriety test and she refused. And she smelled like alcohol. She's been drinking. Oh, so you've been recorded all this time. You've been recorded.
Yeah.
All right? Okay.
No, I need
you
my
want to do
attorney.
field? You want to do
I
field?
need my attorney.
He's on the
Man,
here.
he can hear you.
They're arresting me.
She's
Okay. I'll be there in 5 minutes. They just would wait
5 minutes.
until I get there.
You're not gonna wait. Let's go. You've been transported.
No,
She's not doing the
I'm
field
not
sobriety
going.
test.
I'm not
She's a
going.
She's under arrest right
Give
now.
her my purse. Take the
Here,
purse.
here's the purse.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I'm not going.
okay.
063.
Let's hold on.
31.
Can he go? Can she?
go.
Can you give him
I'm
5 minutes?
I'm not that.
No, we're not giving him any minutes.
I'm just escorting you to the car.
I'm not that mean.
She's not doing the field, so we're not gonna be
20.
drinking. She struck a bunch of cars. Okay, she struck a bunch of cars. We're taking you in.
Come on, man, let's go.
Have a seat,
Let's see the
please.
car.
Can we just like?
No, we're not. We're gonna sit in the car.
That's why. That's what you got. Uber. You got taxi. You could have done all of that.
Okay, have a seat in the car. Let's go have a seat in
No.
the car.
Have a seat.
Have a seat in the
seat.
car. Let me get on the other side.
Have a seat, miss.
I can't.
She's in. She's
All right.
in.
You got a small wrist. No, we have to.
Give her a
No.
second.
You want to do the field? You want to do the field?
Sam.
We ask you to do it, and you say no.
Okay,
I
let's
don't
have a
know
seat
what
in the
you're
car.
saying. You guys are so like.
This is tight.
Oh, I do feel a sobriety test.
All right, do it. All right, come on. Give me a chance. This way. This way.
Three lines, Sam.
And that's exactly what we do.
Yeah, you should stand over here.
Okay, hold
Turn
on.
this way, please.
Sam.
Sam, so you wear any lenses?
Yes.
You wear glasses. Do you have them on right now?
I've contacts.
Can you see me with that? Can you see me with them? Okay. You
I mean,
good?
I cannot see like.
All right. So now, how's your head? You have any injuries? Your
I
head is
hit
good.
my head
You hit your head when?
when I hit the car.
When you hit the car, did you lose?
I don't know what good means.
So you want an EMS? You want to call an ambulance?
Yes,
You want us to call an ambulance for you?
that would be good.
Okay, we'll call an ambulance.
But I can I can do the sobriety.
You can do it? You
Yes.
sure? Okay.
No.
So
I want
put
an ambulance.
both feet together like this.
Yes, I would like an
Okay.
ambulance.
Put both feet together.
I would like an
Can you do it?
ambulance. Yes, I can put both feet together.
Hands together like this. Like. Custody, you know that, right?
Tell you what, can we get an ambulance? He wants an ambulance here.
I'm gonna say no. The ambulance is not here yet.
First, we just one leg out. We just requested it. You got a glass,
coming.
watery eyes.
Okay. All right. Good.
You swing,
Okay,
you're
thank
balanced. You've been drinking. You can smell it. Okay. Okay, ma'am, you cannot get too close because she's under arrest. She's in custody right now. So you can't get too close to her.
Just for your safety and everybody else, okay?
Safety
Her
and
safety.
For everybody's safety.
Who's an expert?
So weird.
I'm gonna turn off the car.
They didn't need a breathalyzer. They didn't need a confession. The open bottle of wine on the floor said everything. Game over.
She partnered. She refused. So
I got enough.
yeah, once we go to the
Station.
station, no, she's gonna go to. She said she wanna go to the hospital.
You wanna go to the hospital?
Once, what do you mean no? We call an ambulance. We just wasted
He
their
said, do
time.
you want medical attention?
We just wasted their time.
I want my attorney.
Alright, just take her in. What you gonna do?
Stand up. Stand up.
No.
It's not,
Stand
it's not heavy your way,
Stand
man.
up.
No,
You
give
asked
me
for an ambulance.
2
You
minutes.
wasted this fine
No.
people.
No.
He wants to see the EMT.
You just refused them.
I want to see the EMT.
You gotta let her see the EMT.
No, but hold on.
You're under arrest.
You're under arrest.
She got a very
One
small
second.
wrist, so make sure you cuff her. Make sure you cuff. She has very small wrist. Careful.
I'll make it loose.
That alcohol smells strong.
Well, there was a bottle
You put, why would you,
and it was in a bottle.
it's a half empty.
Oh my god.
It's half empty.
Sorry.
The bottle of wine is half empty, Samantha.
Oh my god, you guys are
Drink it. I mean, it's illegal to drink and drive.
So we're gonna have open alcohol in the car.
You know?
Can I go with you?
Oh, there comes the attorney, saving the day.
She's gonna have
Oh,
to
he
go.
coming right now.
Because she hasn't had.
All right, you're gonna go ahead.
No, I need to see my attorney.
He's right
I'm not
there.
moving.
He's right there.
Yeah, no, my attorney.
Sir, she's been placed in custody for driving under the influence of alcohol. She struck a bunch of vehicles right there. And that's her open bottle of wine in the car. So,
I didn't drink it.
don't say anything. Yeah, listen to him.
He's been Mirandized? Is she
No,
under arrest?
we're not Mirandizing her or nothing. She refused the field, so now we're gonna take her. She's gonna go to an ambulance, and then they're gonna go with her. And we still gotta do. How many cars did she crash into? Apartment? 2 cars. Her car is undrivable, so we have to tow it from the scene. All right,
Yes.
come on, over there, please. Thank you, Sam.
DUI charge. Mocked an officer at the hospital. Never apologized. Never resigned. Still in office today. The body cam never forgets.